Figure 10-E15 shows a small spherical ball of mass m rolling down the loop track. The ball is released on the linear portion at a vertical height h from the lowest point. The circular part shown has a radius r. Find the kinetic energy of the ball when it is at the point A, where the radius makes an angle theta with the horizontal. Find the radial and tangential acceleration of the center when the ball is at A. Find the normal force and frictional force acting on ball if h is 60 centimeter, theta is 0 degree, m 70 gram. A. A की हाइट दिस इज हाइट और हाइट होगी r एंड दिस इज r sin थीटा. अगर ये डाटम लाइन है, दिस इज डाटम, तो हाइट ऑफ A will be r plus r sin theta. This position is, suppose, B. Total mechanical energy at B, kinetic energy is 0, केवल potential energy होगी, that will be mgh. Suppose this is EB. Total mechanical energy at position A translational kinetic energy प्लस, सपोज इसको हम KT से डिनोट करें, प्लस रोटेशनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी दिस इज KR प्लस पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. KT plus KR and potential energy is mg r plus r sin theta. This is total kinetic energy, K plus mg r plus r sin theta. This is, suppose this is EA. Conservation of energy, EA will be equal to EB, K plus mg r plus r sin theta equal to mgh. For kinetic energy is mg minus mg r plus r sin theta. mg common, h minus r sin theta. This is total kinetic energy at position A. B part. Find the radial and the tangential acceleration of the center when the ball is at A. B part. Potential kinetic energy, total kinetic energy is kT plus kr, or kT is half mv square plus half I omega square, or m v square plus half I for spherical ball 2 by 5 m, अगर इसकी रेडियस r है mr स्क्वायर इंटू ओमेगा स्क्वायर, 1/2 mv स्क्वायर प्लस 1/5 mr स्क्वायर. For non-slipping condition, omega will be v by r. इसका स्क्वायर 1/2 mv स्क्वायर प्लस 1/5 mv स्क्वायर is equal to 7/10 mv square. Suppose this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, 7/10 mv square is equal to mg h minus r sin theta, or mgr h by r minus 1 minus sin theta, seven by 10 mv square by r is equal to mg h by r minus 1 minus sin theta. m से m क्रॉस हो गया, v square by r is equal to 10/7g h by r minus 1 minus sin theta. v square by r is radial acceleration. So ar radial acceleration is 10/7g h by r minus 1 minus sin theta. Now, for tangential acceleration, at. From this equation number 3, v square by r is equal to 10 g by 7 h by r minus 1 minus sin theta. Or v square is 10 g r by 7 h by r minus 1 minus sin theta. Differentiate with respect to t. डिफ्रेंशिएशन करेंगे, 2v dv by dt will be 10g r by 7, h by r is constant, तो इसका डिफ्रेंशिएशन 0, 1 is constant, इसका डिफ्रेंशिएशन 0, and sin थीटा का डिफ्रेंशिएशन इज cos थीटा इंटू थीटा का जब डिफ्रेंशिएशन करेंगे विद रेस्पेक्ट टू टी, डी थीटा बाई dt. 2v dv by dt is tangential acceleration at. 10g r by 7 minus cos theta and d theta by dt is omega, angular velocity, or tan g minus tan g by 7 cos theta omega r. Omega r is V. Tan g 7 cos theta into V 2V 80. V से V क्रॉस हो गया. 80 is minus 5 g by 7 cos theta. Tangential acceleration is minus 5g by 7 cos theta. C part. Find the normal force and frictional force acting on the ball if h is 60 centimeter, theta is 0 degree and m is 70 gram. Theta is 0 degree, m is 70 gram or 0.07 kg and h is 60 centimeter or 0.60 meter. And r is 10 centimeter. R is equal to 0.10 meter. If theta is 0, the sphere will be at horizontal position. यहाँ पर इस पर एक आउटवर्ड फोर्स एक्ट करेगी, सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स mv स्क्वायर बाई r, और normal reaction of the track will be in opposite direction and n will be equal to mv square by r. From equation number 3, m v square by r is tan g by r, h by r minus 1 minus sin theta. यहाँ वैल्यूज पुट कर दें. m is 0.07 kg, tan into 9.8 into 0.1, 0.6 v square by r. Tan g by 7. This is 7. 0.1 minus 1 minus sin theta is 0 degree. Zero point 986 minus 1 minus 0, 0.98 into 5, 4.9 न्यूटन. इसकी वैल्यू होगी 4.9 न्यूटन. frictional force, यहाँ पर frictional force will be in upward direction, small f, इसका weight will act downward और इसमें acceleration is in downward direction, that is it. This is mg. mg minus f will be equal to m80 or m into this minus sign shows the retardation. 5g by 7 cos theta. M into 5g by 7 cos 0 is 1. This is 5g by 7. So f is equal to mg minus 5g m by 7 और 2 by 7 mg. वैल्यूज पुट करें 2 by 7 into 0.07 into 9.8, 0.01, and this is 0.196 Newton. Direction will be upward.